back. Me and old Preston's gonna stop off at Applebee's and get us a bite to eat. It's been a long time since I've been here. Not particularly fond or not of this place. I just haven't been here in a long time, so we're gonna go in here, get us a little bite to eat. We just got back from catfishing on the Catawba River, and this is the Applebee's located right off of Davila Boulevard at the Galleria. So come with us. This is my 2 for $20. He's getting what? This thing right here, little girl meal. I'm getting this right here, which is kind of like a kiddie meal. And we're getting mozzarella sticks as our appetizer. So stay with us. Got our drink orders in. Appetizer order.
He got a rainbow lemonade.
Nah, I ain't getting a rainbow lemonade. He getting that crap. He wanted it, but I wouldn't let him get it because I didn't want to be seen with him in here drinking a rainbow lemonade. You know what I mean? That tea's good and lemony. Old Preston got a glass of Coke, Pepsi, something without ice. He said he needed to get that thing down quick because it's hot. It was hot out there when we was fishing. I think we both kind of dehydrated, so I know tea ain't doing no good, but that's all I drink. So come down to dying or water, I guess I die. So waiting on appetizers. We're waiting on some ranch dressing because I don't eat this crap right here. So that stuff gotta go. I messed up that stick right there.
I'll take it.
I don't eat that crap. Ranch dressing, good to go. All right, the plate's empty. Preston's playing in the marinara.
It's hard.
What do you mean it's hard?
It's freaking gross. See?
Let me see your finger. It's not hard.
The top of it is crusty.
Playing in his food. It's going to show I'm great service.
What? How is this?
Kneel down here. Kneel down here.
Kneel down.
Say hey.
Hey.
This is Simone. She's the waitress.
All right. Oh, you need some ranch for your tenders?
I got a little bit. Thank
You need tea?
you. I'm
Okay.
good.
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you.
Pretty good.
Looks good. Let's see him. I don't know what that is. Seems good so far. The aftermath. I don't think he eats anything. I think he just ate the chicken out of the middle. What say you? What kind of grade you give him?
5.
A 5? Why?
Service is good, but food's mediocre.
5?
5.
Okay. I can't complain. I mean, all my stuff is good. I give him a 10. I don't know why the 5. He ordered it. But he must not like it, so. Yeah, mine was good. So I'm going to have to give him a 10. 10 and a 5. I don't know how to rate that. One day I'll come up with a scale, so till then, we'll just have to live what we got. All right, Preston said his chicken was a little hard in spots, and his bread was hard as a rock and needed a chainsaw for it. So that's the reason for the 5. Like I say, mine was good. Can't really complain, so he give him a 5 on his end, I give him a 10 on my end, so. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.